Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here. We're passionate about creating top-notch content that not only educates but also entertains and motivates our audience. Today, in this video I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 10 in 2023. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First, let's talk about basic requirements. RAM, at least 4 GB or more. Processor cores, at least 2 cores or more. Hard disk, greater than 50 GB. Installation process is almost same on any Windows 8, 10 or 11. If your system meet the basic requirement, let's go. Open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Go to the official website, which is www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Look for Windows host setup and download it. After downloading, extract the file. Now search Kali Linux download and go to the official website, which is www.kali.org/getkali/. Click on Installer Images, so it will show you more details. Scroll a little bit. Here you will find an installer. Download the 64-bit version and make sure your device supports 64-bit softwares. It's quite a large file, so it will take much time to download. Wait for the process to complete. Once the process of downloading 64-bit installer is complete, open your VirtualBox. Click on New, give the username, and then find the Kali 64-bit installer in the ISO image option. Click Continue. Select base memory, RAM 4 GB, and select 2 CPU cores. I advise selecting all the green areas on the bar, as you are seeing on the screen. Click on Next, and select the virtual disk of at least 50 GB. Click Next and then Finish. On the VirtualBox, select the username and click on Start. On the new window, select Graphical Install. Wait for the next screen. Select the language of Kali, select location, select keyboard type, hit Enter. Enter the hostname. I choose Kali. Next, enter the domain name. I choose KaliUser. Enter the username for Kali. It could be anything of your choice. Choose a password. One more thing, you should remember the username and password to access Kali in the future. After a few seconds, it asks for the continent to set the time of the device. Select virtual disk type. If you are new, I suggest you select Use Entire Disk option. Use the recommended option to continue. Click on Finish Partition and then give the permission to install the Grub bootloader. When the installation is complete, click Continue so it will reboot your virtual Kali. Now start the Kali and select option Kali New/Linux. Now enter your username and password for login. Here you go. Your Kali in Windows 10 is ready to use. If you really enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.